Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I want to show you how to double space your paper using Microsoft Word. Once you're in Microsoft Word, you already have your essay written. This is called a single-spaced essay or a single-spaced paper. If you already have your paper written and you need to double space your paper, go ahead and highlight all of your paper, highlight all of your text, and you're going to want to navigate up here to the arrows with the line. This is the line and paragraph spacing tool. If you go ahead and click on that, you can go ahead and go to 2, that means double, 2 for double, and you can go ahead and double space your paper very easily by clicking that. Now you could have also done that before you started writing. If you go here, you can make sure that you've highlighted double, and then once you type, things will be double spaced. And then double space means that you have a space in between your lines. And this is most often needed for MLA formatting, APA style formatting, or any formal paper that you have to write for school. I hope it helps.